Hey there, today we're doing something super exciting, creating a vision board. Trust me, this is more than just arts and crafts, it's a roadmap to your dreams. A vision board is a collage of images, quotes, and reminders that visually represent your goals and dreams. It's like having a Pinterest board, but in real life that serves as a daily inspiration. Why make one? Well, a vision board helps crystallize your goals and keeps you motivated. It's a daily reminder of what you're striving for, be it a career milestone, a dream vacation, or personal growth. You'll need a board, cork, poster, or even digital. Then gather magazines, photos, quotes, and maybe some glitter if you're feeling fancy. Don't forget scissors and glue. Start by thinking about your goals. What inspires you? Cut out images and quotes that resonate with those aspirations. Next, arrange your cutouts on the board. Place the most important ones in the center to draw focus. Once you're happy with the layout, glue or pin everything down. Feel free to add doodles, stickers, or whatever makes it uniquely yours. And there you have it, a vision board that's as unique as you are. Keep it in a place where you'll see it daily.